fastest way to resolve stick drift. Hold down the home button on your Quest controller. Go to App Library. Click on Settings. Controllers. Go all the way down until you see thumbstick, range, and dead zone. Reset what side has the dead zone. Well, the stick drift in this case. Go all the way down. Collaborate controller. Then click Collaborate. Move it around the circle 3 times. Next. And then now, you should be able to adjust the dead zone. Now let's say if the little controller was slightly offset to here. Well, what we could do is we could adjust it so it would no longer be offset, and that would now be the center of your controller. Then we hit next. Confirm. And that should have been done. Just to repeat that method, I'll be doing it again. So, open up the home menu. Go to App Library. Settings. Controllers. Go all the way down until you see thumbstick, range, and dead zone. Go all the way back down again until you see thumbstick, range, and dead zone again. Then collaborate what controller you want. Move it around the circle 3 times. Next. And then collaborate your dead zone. Now it should work. Might be a little buggy, but should get the job done. Peace.